Hey, welcome back to another preview. So, question, have you ever felt swamped by the sheer amount of credit data that you're dealing with? You struggling to create personalized content that really resonates? Well, you're not alone, and that's where lesson 9 of our course, Leveraging ChatGPT for Credit Repair Business Owners, comes into play. Now, imagine turning daunting data into insightful little nuggets, crafting customized letters that connect with each client, optimizing your dispute strategies, and tracking your progress all effortlessly. With the power of ChatGPT, you'll be able to transform complex data into crystal clear insights. You'll be able to create targeted letters that speak to individual client needs and specifically to specific bureaus and creditors. We'll show you how to prioritize effective disputes, enhancing your success rate. And we'll also show you how to track your progress, like logging changes and seeing continuous improvements guided by ChatGPT. Now, this preview merely hints at the thrilling ride ahead in lesson number 9. It's a game-changing approach that promises to elevate your credit repair game to really unprecedented levels. So don't wait. The future of your credit repair business, it's calling. And if you're watching this on YouTube, do me a favor and hit like, subscribe, comment, ask questions, and join me on this transformative journey with ChatGPT. Also, stay tuned for the next lesson, lesson 10, where we're going to explore automation and lead generation. Enroll today and go ahead and get your credit repair business into an efficient and impactful force that just can't be reckoned with. See you on the inside.